Woke up floating in a sea of stars. Spaceship's engine gone too far. Left my mind light years behind, searching the cosmos for a sign. Zero gravity messes with my head, spinning among comets, feeling dead. Planets whizzing by in a blur, infinite void makes my vision stir. At all, galaxies drift like a broken dream. Silence screams in the astronaut's beam. Asteroids crashing like thoughts in my brain. Every light year feels like a chain. Questioning everything I used to know. Solar winds whispering cryptic code. Galaxies roads that I once rode. Alien shadows play tricks on the mind. Space and time blur, then unwind. Shooting stars paint stories untold. Nebula soft as cosmic gold.